Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to edit like Kathryn Bernardo's filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photos of before and after using this filter. Now, let's get started. First, go to Light. Adjust exposure to 0.15. Contrast to -0.50. Highlights to -0.60. Shadows to 0.61. Whites to -52. Blacks to -20. And done. Next, go to color. Set temperature to 16. Tint to 18. Vibrance to 44. Saturation to -28. Go to color mix. For red, set hue to -17. Saturation to 31. Hue to -16. Saturation to 12. Luminance to 10. Yellow, hue to -57. Saturation -30 and luminance to -15. For green, set saturation to -40 and luminance to -100. Aqua, hue to 100. Blue, hue to -39. Saturation 33. Luminance -29. Purple hue to -100. And to magenta, set saturation to -100. Click Done. And go to Effects, set texture to clarity to 11. Go to Split Tone, adjust highlights to 30 and 8. Then shadows to 131 and saturation for 1. Set balance to 18. Go to Detail, adjust sharpening to 22. Masking to 11. Noise reduction to 23. Color noise reduction to 58. And finished. Now, let's try to copy this preset to other photos. Copy setting. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you again in next video.